$500 bucks. So yeah, that is really, really cheap. But of course, there's something wrong with it, and I'm not sure exactly what is wrong with it. But I'm sure I'll be able to fix it somehow. I mean, I was gonna kind of design and build my own. But you know, at this price, $500 bucks, you just can't build your own. And all the motor, whatever, the steel is going to cost more than that. So I'm just going to buy a used one that's broken and fix it. And that's usually always the cheapest way to get something done if you're willing to do some work. And especially given this one's a 12,000 pound one, it's a big one. So that's worth buying. I've seen some other, you know, the cheap Chinese ones, 7,000 pounders, and you can get those for about $1,000 bucks working. Yeah, so I just wanted to get this video started and show that we're driving. This thing's located pretty much right next to the nuclear power plant, and so I wanted to get those cooling towers here. You can see them straight ahead. And I'm wondering if I missed my road, because there's no internet out here. Well, probably getting close to the nuclear power plant, there's going to be some internet connection, because this is Rancho Seco, and yeah, this is where I need to turn. This is Rancho Seco, and they closed it down years ago, so it's not a nuclear power plant anymore, but it still has the cooling towers, and they have a cooling lake over there, and there's a campground there. Here's the place right behind the tree, so I'm going to shut this off, and I'll go around to the truck here now. Yeah, I'm going to shut it off. I think you probably want something to be on video. Alright, here we go. Throwing it on the trailer. Yeah, it takes 3 guys to get it on there. So hopefully getting it off will be a lot easier, because I don't have 3 guys. I'm just going to end up dragging it off. Alright, well, we got the lift back at the barn. Question is, how do I get it off, and where do I put it? Because the thing is heavy, and I'm gonna need to get it off this trailer. So yeah, alright, I gotta find a place. I think I'm just gonna drag it off this trailer, attach a rope to the ground, and maybe tie it to a tree. So I need a tree. I gotta find a tree to attach it to.